Are you wondering how to build a custom Salesforce app but don't know where to start? In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the process and show you how to create a custom app with ease using Salesforce. Stick around to find out how you can make the most of the platform and build an app that perfectly fits your needs. First things first, let's get clear on what Salesforce is. It's a robust platform primarily used for customer relationship management, CRM. But here's the thing, Salesforce is incredibly versatile, and you can actually use it to build custom apps for all sorts of purposes. From automating workflows to managing data, Salesforce gives you all the tools to design a custom solution. Now, before we dive into the process, if you want to try Salesforce for yourself, there's an exclusive offer linked below where you can access Salesforce for free with additional bonuses. Definitely worth checking out if you're just getting started. Alright, let's get to the process of building a custom Salesforce app. First thing to know, you don't need to be a coding expert to build a basic app on Salesforce. The platform offers a lot of drag and drop features to make it super accessible. The second thing is setting up your environment. In Salesforce, you'll be working inside a Salesforce org, which is essentially your workspace. You can create a new org or use an existing one for testing. Go ahead and sign in, and then we're ready to go. Next, go to the App Manager in Salesforce. This is where you'll start creating your custom app. Click on Create New App, and Salesforce will guide you through a few steps. You'll be able to choose between a Lightning app or a classic one, with Lightning being the modern option that's ideal for most users. Now, when it comes to adding components, you have a ton of options. You can add things like custom objects, tabs, and Lightning pages. Custom objects are essentially tables that hold your data. You can set up fields, relationships, and rules to tailor how your app works. If you want to add a custom button or an integration with an external tool, you can do that too. The fourth thing to consider is automation. Salesforce has powerful automation tools built in. For example, you can use Process Builder or Flow Builder to automate business processes. This is super useful for things like sending automatic notifications, creating records, or updating data without manual intervention. Next, let's talk about testing your app. Once you've set everything up, test it thoroughly. Salesforce gives you tools like the preview option, so you can see how it will look and function for end users. Make sure everything works smoothly before moving on to deployment. Now, when you're ready to go live, you can publish your app and assign it to different users in your organization. You can control access levels, so only authorized users can access sensitive features or data. Finally, before you wrap up, let me remind you that building a custom Salesforce app can seem overwhelming at first, but with the right steps and guidance, you can create a powerful tool that improves your workflow and productivity. And remember, Salesforce is completely customizable, so you can always tweak your app as your needs evolve. To get started with Salesforce for free and access our exclusive extended trial, make sure to click the link in the description below. This is the perfect opportunity to dive into the platform and start building your custom apps without the cost or commitment. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and happy building.